Hi friends, this is Rajesh. Welcome to 925 Tech Info. Friends, today I would like to review an app named Everyday Habit Tracker. I hope this app may be useful to your daily life. And also we can use this app in our Android phone and iPhone and iPad or tablets and in laptop or desktop too. This app is available in both Android and iOS devices. Friends, I kept the link of the app in the description so that you can download the app through the link. Friends, this is a startup channel. We sincerely need your support. Friends, please subscribe to the channel, like to my videos and share to your friends too. Friends, before opening the app, I'll show you some information for the app. We all are having many good habits to follow every day, but in our busy life we may forget to do those good habits. So friends, without forgetting our daily habits, there is an app to remind you to reach your every activity or habit. Friends, now let's go into the app. By opening the app, we need to sign in through our mail ID for keeping our data to backed up. Before that, please look after this, guys. Guys, each and every habits we can set as a reminder here, guys. For example, if you want to do push-ups, just keep a reminder how many push-ups you have to do and at what time. At that time this app will remind you to do those many push-ups. And each and everything, guys, if you want to read anything or if you want to sleep at this time or if you want to eat at such some time, you just need to add in that app so that that app will remind you at that time. Don't break the chain, guys. Every day it will remind you. And you can see this one. In this you can visualize your progress, day by day progress. If you skip any of the day, it will show it to you as blank, and if you do it continuously, you can see the colors of the progress, guys. Any habit we can add it here, and we should keep such time. At the time this app will remind you, and we can customize however we want, guys, in beautiful colors. Guys, as I told you, we can use this app in phone, tablets and desktop too, guys. For keeping our data safe, we should need to sign in and keep the data be backed up, guys. Let me open the app. Guys, here is the app. Guys, here I will show you three reminders, those which I have kept and I'm using. Friends, here for example, I have kept this hot water with lemon. I have kept it at early morning 6 a.m. Should have every day to reduce body fat and keep healthy. The caption of the reminder is hot water with lemon, and I have kept a description, a few words of note. Should have every day to reduce body fat and keeps healthy. Every day at the time you'll get a reminder so that it will be notifying you to do that activity. Guys, if you see here that habit and description, in description I have added few words, and you can pick the color, guys. Which color you want, you can pick it, and later you should set a time, any time. For example, I'll remove this and I'll show it to you. Yes, at what time you want, you can, you're flexible for the time, guys, anytime. Yeah, I have kept it 13 and save. Oh, 1 minute, guys. Yes, at any time guys, you should just save. That's it. At the time it will remind to you. Guys, mostly this app will be very helpful for our daily needs, for our daily activities, without forgetting those our daily habits. This app will be very helpful for us guys. So friends, without forgetting our daily activities, here is an app to remind you for such for your each and every activity. Friends, now friends, after signing up, we just need to open the app, those which you want to daily, without forgetting, by adding the activity in the certain pattern. This would remind you in each and every way guys. Friends, this app has a pro version. Yeah, before that guys, I want to show you something here. This app has also a dark version. See, it automatically switches. Guys, mainly this app has a pro version, which you can get a more access and more features in the pro version. If you like the app, just go through the app guys. If you like the app, then go to the pro version. Friends, you understand, I hope you understand the review of the app. Friends, this is a startup channel. We need your support friends. Please subscribe to the channel, like to my videos, share to your friends. Please comment me for your doubts and for your valuable feedback or suggestions. Thank you friends. Signing off, this is Rajesh. Jai Hind.